Mike Hughes here. I'm at DUI, which is Diving Unlimited International, and I'm here with Jay. And Jay, we have something you want to show us?
Yes, so this is going to be our new suit that we've come out with. This is going to be the Yukon 2.
Right.
Yukon 2 comes with zip seals. It comes in red. It comes with a red stripe, a black stripe, and a gray stripe, so you have that option. It is a tri-laminate suit, so it's a nylon brutal rubber polyester-based suit. Mm-hmm. Retails for $1,500.
Perfect.
So, and it does come with zip seal, so you're able to swap out the seals, and it comes with, and that's probably the biggest advantage to it. But it's a very nice, lightweight suit. It's a great suit for the beginner diver, the traveler. It allows you to keep things. It allows you to get you into the dry suit without going with their premium suit, which is a little bit easier on the pocketbook. And
plus, because it's not a standard size, it's just it's one size area. I can expand a little.
Correct. It comes in correct. So it does come in stock sizes. So it is going to come in medium or shorts and talls.
Right.
So in our select sizes, DUI has 15 different sizes for men, 18 for women. It does come in women's sizes as well.
Okay.
However, the advantage there is the seams are taped, and it comes with YKK plastic zipper, which is going to differentiate from our premium suits. Our premium suits do come in the same sizes, but they're more of a made-to-measure or made-to-order suit. So you can pick your pockets, you can pick your different types of boots. This is stock. This is what you see is what you get. It does come with one cargo pocket here. Comes with our Super Flex boot. No knee pads. But what you see is what you get. So we will have these stored at the warehouse. So if a dive shop doesn't have it, they can give us a call up. Hey, do we have an extra large tall or a medium short? Hey, I've got one in stock. It's shipping out the next day versus the 3 to 4 week turnaround for getting a premium suit made.
Got it. Cool. Well, that about wraps it up. And if you want more information, they go to DUI.com or DiveDUI.com or
DiveDUI.com. Or please feel free to visit any one of our dealers in the area.
Yeah, that works too.
Do as well.
Thank you very much.
No problem. Thank you.